What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today I got some deals from Ohio Power Tool, one of the last family-owned tool companies standing, and Lowe's, and of course a little bit from eBay. I'm gonna show you that in a second, but let's get started. First up, over here at Ohio Power Tool, we have this pre-sale Flex Compact Impact Wrench. Now, I had to go back and check this thing out on the Torque Test channel. They somehow got a prototype and they put it to the test with the other compact impact wrenches on the market, and this thing, of course, performed. It was neck and neck with the Dewalt. So if you have the Dewalt compact, then you don't need this. But this is $249, and it comes with the 3.5 amp hour stacked lithium ion battery. So that's a pretty fantastic deal when you consider the battery. Moving on, I'm getting blown up right now. We have this DeWalt trimmer and blower kit for $199. It comes with a 4 amp hour battery, a charger, the blower. Now, I don't recall what the CFM was on this blower. I generally, as a rule, stay away from DeWalt outdoor. There's no information, but I stay away from their outdoor stuff. Just the bad experiences I had with their lawnmowers, and so many other people have with the lawnmower, I just leave it alone. But that's not a bad price, all things considered, for this brushless set. All right, so we see the blower is normally $159 itself, and I saw briefly 125 miles an hour there with 450 CFM. So not bad. That's actually not bad at all. So they had that. Moving on, got some goodie here. This Milwaukee M12 kit. So you get your standard hammer drill impact driver. We know that that's on sale $200. It's normally $229, right? With the 4 amp hour battery, the 2 amp hour battery to charge in the bag. And for an extra $99 or $79, you get this stubby impact wrench. And we know that alone is normally about $200 itself, so that's a fantastic deal right there. Moving on, but before we talk about this deal, I just want to say, if you get any value from this video, if you like these first few deals, leave me a like. Consider subscribing so you don't miss any other deals in the future. So we have this Milwaukee pack out with a larger case. It's not the normal small case. So you have the rolling case and an extra large case, and then an extra large deep organizer at the top for $258. Crazy, because the normal pack out with less cargo capacity on sale during the holiday was $250. So $249. So add an extra $9 and you got the bigger stuff right here. And is that free shipping? It is free shipping on orders of $99 and above. Come on, Ohio. Moving on, we have another M12 deal. Same deal with the hammer drill and the impact driver, and you have the fuel oscillating tools. Not the boo-boo one, but the fuel. And this is normally itself also you can find on sale for like $150. And again, this being $229, you're paying an extra $50 and getting this oscillating tool. You're not finding this cheaper unless you go to Home Depot and hack it. But this stuff is not available at Home Depot. I already checked all of them. Couldn't find them. All right, and finally, over at Ohio, we have this same M12 kit with this high-speed ratchet. Again, this high-speed ratchet is like $169 normally, and you're going to get this for an extra $70 or $100 depending on what this is costing right now, but that is still a great deal. Moving on over to eBay, Tools Direct has restocked 317 items. It was like 2-something a few days ago. Look at this. Look, this is worth it for the battery alone. $69 with an extra 30% off. Also, let's not forget your Rakuten if you're new to cashback extensions. They are free. Use the link in the description to sign up, and you get a bonus $30 on your first, not really on your first order, just when you spend $30, it builds up. You'll get a bonus $30 in addition to the 1%. And if you've already redeemed that bonus, Retail Me Now is offering 5% cash back, and you see my reward balance right here. It works. So $69 with an extra 30% off with a 4 amp hour 40 volt battery. It's worth it for that alone. And you get a blower too, right? Along with the charger. Now this is just hilarious. Now if they offer 30% off on this, That would just be silly. This is a 7 1/4 inch circular saw too for $29.99. That's the last one. That's gonna probably be gone by the time you guys see this. But anyway, so to save some time so you don't miss any other deals, you just see what it is. Let me go ahead and move on so you guys can take advantage of these deals out here. So there's that. Moving on over to Lowe's, and we're going to not quite in here. Let's go ahead and talk about Costco before I forget about that. So Costco has the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra, not for $69.99. That's for peasants like you and me who don't have Costco memberships. But if you have a Costco membership, this is $59.99.99 for the 12,000 kilowatt hour battery pack. So you get the main unit, and it comes with an extra battery. And I have EcoFlow pulled up so you can just see what that normally costs. So you have the whole home backup, and that's normally $57.99. And then you get an extra battery, which is normally $27.99. This stuff is on sale over at EcoFlow, this extra battery, which comes to $85.98. But Costco is selling both for $59.99. There you have it. So that's that. Moving on over to Lowe's. Lowe's doesn't have a whole lot new going on, but I'm going to talk to you and show you some deals that are BOGOs. So first we have this Flex Orbital Sander. And this is also pretty cool because, again, this comes with a 3.5 amp hour stacked lithium battery. $149.08 for that. In addition to the orbital sanders out here, we have the Metabo HPT for $119. That comes with a charger and two 2 amp hour batteries. So, you know, this has a lifetime warranty and 6 speeds, where this has a lifetime warranty if you register it within 30 days of purchase, and 3 speeds where it then has a turbo speed. This does 13,000 oscillations per minute on turbo, and the Metabo HPT does 11,000 oscillations per minute just on 6. There's no turbo boost or whatever. So depending on what you want to go, your budget, I don't think you can go wrong with either one. So you have that. Then we have this Bosch Pro Factor 7 1/4 inch sliding compound miter saw BOGO. Comes with an 8 amp hour battery and a charger for $289. That's an incredible deal for that whole cordless bundle. And don't let the reviews fool you. If you go to the reviews, everything, all of them are good. It's just these two trolls, which always has something new. You got a new YouTube channel, somebody's going to troll you. You got a new product, the people trolls go in there and just, you know, downvote it and say it's bad and no explanation, just to bring the reviews down. And more than likely it was probably Milwaukee or Dewalt. Somebody from that company doing that. I get them all the time. All right, moving on, and we're almost done. We have this Metabo HPT Jigsaw BOGO, $99 for this Jigsaw. Again, with two 2 amp hour batteries and a charger. That's not a bad deal at all. And then finally, again, I won't stop talking about this until the deal is gone. We have this Dewalt XR oscillating tool bundle. All right, the whole kit with the dinkiest battery ever, but it'll work. Charger in a bag for $99. That's just insane. If you go down here, it'll probably just show the oscillating tool itself. The oscillating tool itself is still on sale. Look, for $169. It's $169. Just the tool itself, tool only, is $169. You get the whole kit for $99. That is absolutely insane. If so, everybody watching this, you should have an oscillating tool now. All right. So anyway, that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from this, again, I ask that you like this video, leave me a comment saying thank you, or say something nice, or say something mean. That don't matter. I have tough skin, and I will see you guys next time.